Alright, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make your first website page, how to save it, and how to run it. First, we're gonna open an application you all have, which is, let's use Notepad. So in Notepad, the first line we're gonna use this arrow brackets, and in the arrow brackets we're gonna write exclamation mark and then doc type HTML. And next we're gonna make other arrow brackets and then we write HTML. So before we move on with anything else, we also have to close this block because this one has to be closed like this. HTML. And then we go within the block we have created to create the head. We close it too, the head, and then after closing the head we're gonna make the title for our website. The first thing first is making the title for our website. So we're gonna use this one, block called title. We close it, and you may call it any name. So for this one I'm gonna call it my first website. And now we are done with the head. So the website we also have another part called the body. So we're gonna create the block for the body. We close it, body, and we're gonna add a bigger heading, and this one will be called H1. That's for a bigger heading. And then we can give it any name, like any title, like welcome to our new website. And then we're gonna make another block for the paragraph. So the paragraph block is P. And we may say thank you for visiting our website. And then we may also add like clickable text, the text that people can be able to click. So for that we're gonna use another block called A. So A is for clickable text. We may add something like visit Dior reflections. So in this case you're gonna use anything you want, and to put the link that will be visited we go to the opening tag of our block, to the opening part, and then we put href, and then which will be equal to, we put the double quotes, and in the double quotes we put the link www, just any link you want. So to this step we are done with a simple web page, and we may run it to see how it looks like, and we're gonna see also how to save it. So we're gonna go here to file and we click save, and we have to choose the location. So I'm gonna go to desktop and create a folder called webdev. Okay, here's the folder, and I'm gonna go in webdev to create, to name this file. Let's call it like first page dot html. And when you are done giving it the name, always remember to add this final part, the extension dot html. And after doing that, you will also come here to save as type, which is currently text, and you change it to all files. Or if you don't do that, it won't work. Your computer will treat this as a low text file, not a website page. So we have already saved our work, and we can go to where we saved the work. We should be here. And then to open it, you already have a browser in your computer. All you're gonna do is double click. So you're gonna be having something like this. Let me show you. Let me put it separately so that you can see it better. So you're gonna be having something like this. This was the H1, and we have up to H6. And this is the paragraph. This is the clickable text. See what happens when I click it. So it opens the website I have added. And the title is the one that goes here at the top. That's the title. So we've seen how to create our file, our website page, how to run it, and how it looks like. And the next time we're gonna look at something like text formatting and other things, until we also learn how to deploy your website and put it online, just like this one or others. Thank you. Subscribe so that you won't miss the future videos in case you're watching from YouTube.